And for mini spring also means allergy season as well. Warmer, drier weather that starts early can mean an increase in pollen and allergy symptoms. Medical professionals have some tips for staying healthy this spring. First, know if you're allergic or if you just have a cold. Cold symptoms will include headaches and a temperature. But if it's allergies, the symptoms include itchy and watery eyes. To keep symptoms down, keep pollen out by keeping windows closed in your home and in your car. Change clothes and shower after being outside. And use a dryer instead of drying clothes outside.
The sun comes out as it is today. Everyone's outside enjoying the fresh air, so the exposure time is much more increased now than during the winter time.
It's also recommended to keep an eye on expected pollen counts for the day.